science learner. Today we're going to learn about difference between the mixture and the compound. The compound is two or more elements combined together chemically, while the other side, the mixture, is two or more substances combined together physically. So, example, H plus O equals H2O. And the H2O is equals water. Okay? Now, the other side is a table of salt plus water. So, the Q and the Cn is an element. Okay? And its equal is $0.25. Okay? Okay. So, let me know in the comment section if you have more questions. Okay? Okay. Now, moving on. The particles lose their original properties. Example, H plus O. This H plus O is gases, okay? While this H2O is water, okay? Now, the other side. The particles remain their original properties, okay? Okay? So, the water and the pebbles, okay? So, it is the water and this is the pebbles, okay? So, neither of it can be homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture, okay? And while this one can only be homogeneous composition, okay? Okay. Now, this homogeneous composition is you cannot spot the particles. Example, the components cannot be separated, okay, by the physical method. Example, this is a water, okay? This is a water. You cannot separate hydrogen from oxygen because H stands for hydrogen and oxygen stands for O, okay? While in the other side, you can separate from pebbles to water, okay? And this is called filtration, okay? Let me know in the comment section if you had all of your activities